After this video, I tell you I got 727 less clients because of this video. Let me tell you why the unit I'm marketing is the best unit in Twin Waterfall. Twin Waterfall, 728 units. Collector key in 2015, MOP in 2020. 2 more years. Foreigners can buy already. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Some buyers actually feedback those units above the multi-story car park. You need to take the lift down, cross the multi-story car park, then can reach the pool. So when they have children, they have second thoughts. Next, if you want something quieter, please go for the blocks in the center. They are not facing the roads or the LT tracks. Lastly, if you are a person who is very afraid of afternoon sun or direct sunlight, go for those facing northeast. They don't have direct sun. Welcome to the 3-bedder penthouse, 1302 square feet. Bedrooms one side, living room one side. Proper dining area and living area. Look at the balcony. You can actually invest in a zip track so that here can be your dining area or your relaxing area. Punggol Group Primary School, super competitive I tell you. At least must stay within 1 kilometer to get a chance to ballot. If not, better be under phase 2B or under phase 1A, which is sibling is a current student. Come, let me show you the bedrooms. This storage is given by the developer, which I can show you right here. Outside storage by the developer, this is your actual wardrobe. Come inside the bedroom, you can fit a queen size bed, socket to socket, no issue. Come, see the second common room. This room is slightly bigger. Here, again, queen size bed is no issue, but it's bigger than the first common room. Lastly, master bedroom. King size bed, no issue. Can put side table, small bed, dressing table. Size is what you're looking for. Note that my seller got family of 5 Hey, but the kitchen very well maintained, macam new one eh. The 3-bedder you saw downstairs is estimated 915 square feet. This open terrace, slightly over 300 square feet. You can build your own shelter here for your open terrace. You can keep your trees, your plants, your fruits, keep your fishes, your pets, and maybe have a little barbecue here. This penthouse is priced to sell, sincere seller. All you have to do is ask. I'll see you.